Hello for all. My name is Laura. My last name is Mariño. I am a student at Licenciatura en Educación Básica Primaria. My identification is 1049654098. My student code is 202010838. Thanks. Time of year that I like the most. We usually start the day with a delicious breakfast prepared by us to share with the family. Then we make preparations for this special day. My mother-in-law likes to do general cleaning. She cleans every last corner to receive the new year in the best way. After having everything very clean, we prepared a delicious lunch. In this case, it was a barbecue that we all enjoyed as a family. We had a drink and we talked about everything, a little about our purposes for the following year and the way we want to fulfill. As a traditional Colombian family, we get dressed again at night to share this wonderful family day. We prepare dinner collaboratively. Usually, we prepare a dish that everyone likes to have a comfortable night for each of the people who are sharing the night. After dinner is ready, we arrange the table with everything we may need so that no one has to get up to anything while we are having dinner. At night, we all got together to receive the new year. This in particular, it was very special signs. It was the first New Year together with our baby, while everyone was dancing and celebrating. I took care of my daughter. We have dinner and share as a family. After dinner, we usually have some superstitions white grapes, lentils, and running with a suitcase according to the saints for good luck traveling and that your dreams come true in the following year. All dance and swing when shouting Happy New Year is a moment of happiness for the whole family. After this, everything is celebration and fun, a moment of joy to receive a new year in which we can be better people. Thank you all.